Everything you need to know about personal pronouns in Polish. Part 1. When to use personal pronouns in Polish. Personal pronouns, words like I, she, he, or they in English are used to refer to a specific entity in the world, usually a person, without actually naming them. Just imagine how messy our everyday communication would be if we were not able to refer to someone as he or to something as it. Using personal pronouns helps us save time and effort, and that's why they are an essential part of the Polish language. Personal pronouns in the nominative case are rarely used by Polish people. This is because it can be easily identified which one form should be used by just looking at them. For example, I have, ja mam, you have, ty masz. Because the verb changes, mam, masz, you can easily tell that ja mam equals mam. I recommend that my students use personal pronouns at the beginning of their learning of Polish when speaking in Polish. The reason for this is that at the beginning everyone makes mistakes when conjugating a verb, so when they use personal pronouns, everyone will know what they mean. Number and gender of Polish personal pronouns. Singular, first person, I, ja. Second person, you, ty. Third person, feminine, she, ona. Third person, masculine, he, on. Third person, neutral, it, ono. Plural. First person, we, my. Second person, you, wy. Third masculine, they, oni. Third non-masculine, they, one. As you probably know, every Polish noun has a fixed grammatical gender, so when a pronoun is used in place of a noun, the pronoun gender must be the same as the noun's gender. This, however, only applies to third-person pronouns, since first and second-person pronouns do not distinguish between genders. Ty, singular you, will always be ty, regardless of the person's gender. Applying this rule to nouns for people should be pretty intuitive, as the same thing happens in English. You say he when talking about a man and she when talking about a woman. However, when referring to animals, objects, or concepts, you cannot always expect honor to be the correct pronoun, even though its direct translation is it. This is because every Polish impersonal noun has a fixed grammatical gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter, just as personal nouns do. If a noun for an animal, object, or concept is of the feminine gender, you should refer to it using the third person feminine pronoun ona. If it's of masculine gender, the corresponding pronoun is on. And if it's neuter, you can go ahead and use ono. Please compare the examples below. Masculine, chłopiec, boy, on. Pies, dog, on. Samochód, car, on. Zawód, profession, on. Now feminine. Matka, mother, ona. Kaczka, duck, ona. Koszula, shirt, ona. Piosenka, song, ona. Neuter, dziecko, child, ono. Zwierzę, animal, ono. Biurko, desk, ono. Hasło, password, ono. You might notice that all these examples are in the singular. What about plural personal pronouns? If you go back to the previous page and look at the Polish equivalents of the pronoun they, you will notice a distinction that does not exist in English. Oni is the third person plural masculine pronoun, while one is the third person plural non-masculine pronoun. This means that when choosing which plural pronoun to use, you have to take into account the gender of the entities it stands for. Oni. If the pronoun is supposed to refer to a group with at least one male in it, the correct word to use is oni. This pronoun is also used when the gender of the people in the group is unknown, either because we don't know who its members are, or because we are generalizing about a social group that is likely to include both men and women. One. In all other cases, The default third person plural pronoun is one. You would use it to talk about groups of women, children, animals, objects, or concepts. If you are not entirely sure if you understand the distinction, this chart should help you. Please have a look at this table. Group of males only. Examples: Twoi bracia, your brothers, Daniel I Adam, Daniel and Adam, pronoun oni. Now, group of males and females. Examples: Nasi rodzice, our parents, Julia I Adam, Julia and Adam, pronoun oni. Group of members of a profession, nation, social groups, etc. Examples: emeryci, pensioners, Amerykanie, Americans, pronoun oni. Group of females only. Jej córki, her daughters, Julia I Anna, Julia and Anna, pronoun one. Group of children of an unspecified gender, przedszkolaki, preschoolers, wnuki Marka, Mark's grandchildren, one. Group of animals. Examples: koty, cats, szympanse, chimpanzees, pronoun one. Group of objects. Examples: książki, books, pomidory, tomatoes, pronoun one. Group of concepts. Examples: prawa człowieka, human rights, zyski, profits, pronoun one. I hope you understand. One more thing. Unlike in English, Polish personal pronouns distinguish between singular you and plural you. In other words, when you say ty, it's always clear that you are referring to a single person. Likewise, wy will always refer to more than one person, just like you all in English. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia. Please write a comment.